what's required to get Braja Prema Bhakti from Krishna in this Bhagavad Puran verse, the first thing is that we have to accept the Shastra Vidi. We have to accept that the Bible, the Quran, the Bhagavad Gita, and our Vedas, these Shastras are Shabda Brahman. They are spiritual divine teachings given by God and realized souls. Atmaram Munis, Aptakam Munis, Rishis, Munis, saints, seers of the truth, the great Mahajans, the great Acharyas, the great spiritual teachers of the world. They've seen God, they've realized God, and they are Shakti-avesh. They are empowered to write about how to realize God as they have done, and speak about it as they have done. So we have to accept the Shastra as truth. It's truth, absolute truth. It's real. I believe it. I submit to it, and I love it, and I follow it. That's the first point. Accept Shastra. Then we have to accept that God exists. There is God. And His name is Allah and Jehovah and Krishna and Ram and Vishnu. He has many, Anatanamam. God has many names in different faith traditions. God exists. He's a supreme person. Krishna, Bhagavan. Bhagavan means the supreme personality of God. He's a person. He walks, He talks, He laughs, He loves, He controls, He gives, He takes. I accept the Shastras are true, real. I believe, I submit. I believe in God. I accept that. And I believe that there's a spiritual world. Vaikuntha, Paravyom. There's all these planets in the material world. Ananta Jagat, Ananta Jagananda, Ananta Jagananda. There are thousands and thousands of universes with millions and millions of planets in each one. But beyond all this range, Bhurvabha, Swa is Vaikuntha. And beyond Vaikuntha, the center part of Vaikuntha is the lotus, the Braja Padma, the lotus of Braj Mandal, where Radha and Krishna and all his Nitya Parishads, his eternal associates, are dancing and loving and exchanging. We have to believe in a spiritual world. Shastra, God, Krishna, is Bhagavan Sri Krishna. We have to believe in a spiritual world beyond this.